Hello, and welcome to another video from Lean Apps. Today we are going to talk about hand sketch prototyping. And this is an important step as well while we are trying to understand the need of what we want to build in the product. Let's start. My name is Narjeet. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Lean Apps. These are my hashtag: Lean Innovation, Design Thinking, Agile, and Digital Transformation. And these are the customers I've worked with in the past. Let's understand what is hand sketching. How do we build this prototype? So we saw in our previous videos that user story helps us understand what is required, for whom it is required, and why it is required. So it kind of gives me a complete essence of what functionality do I want to build, who is the end user who's going to use this functionality, and why this is required. And what we do is we create some kind of wireframes or visual designs to convey the how, which is usually done by UX designers. Or what we want to do is, it's not just the UX designer, we want to involve the complete team in defining the how as well. And that's where your hand sketch prototyping comes into picture. So once the user stories are ready, each member of the team could create their own sketch for different screens. That's the idea. And user flows. So all the different ideas of how the screen could be, how the user can do his task. Different team members have their own ideas. They've used different product in their lives. They're using apps and web products and stuff. So from that experience, they try to sketch something, what they think would be the right solution for the user story. The idea is to bring a lot of different ideas on the table of how to solve the problem, a lot of solutions on the table, and then they can collaborate and vote on the best solution on different screens and try to come up with the solution with collaboration among each other. So that's why your hand sketch comes pretty handy in defining the how. So just a quick stationary check. What we need to make it possible for the whole team to start sketching is like you can go to this link and you can download these different kind of you can say templates, and you'll have like an A4 size. You'll have 4 different phones if you select phones, and you can also have it for web or tablet, whatever you want to build on or sketch on. And you'll have this these dots or marks. You have a straight line and stuff like that. You can freely sketch on such printable sheets. You need pencils, of course. You need some eraser, sharpener, scale or ruler to kind of draw in a straight line. And if you want to use Sharpie, you can have a Sharpie. So these are some basic things you need. And once this is ready, you're ready to sketch with the team. Now, just an example of how the sketches. So a lot of people, they have like, I'm not good at drawing. So if this is an example here, what I want to share, this is like really rough on a web. We want to build some kind of a dashboard example, and it has to be, it's just an idea. You're sketching your idea on a piece of paper with a pencil, and that's it. I mean, that you don't have to be an artist to do this. It's very simple and straightforward. This is a mobile example. Again, it's just all about bringing that user story, what you need, into a kind of a visual format of what your idea is, and the whole team is collaborating. And that is good enough and this could be a very good input for the UX designer to then further create it in a high fidelity prototype, and then further into a visual design, which can be used by the developer to develop the story. And that's it. It's as simple as this. So if you have any questions around sketching, just let me know. This is my email, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.